choose Town Kids po kasi nag-research po ako ng mga reviews. Okay naman po, alaga po lahat ng nurses. Walang mga nurses na na-abandon and they even accept yung mga abandoned nurses.
I was abandoned by my previous agency, work abroad, and then went back to the Philippines. And then, nandun ko nakita si Town Kids. When I started my journey with them, napaka-hands-on po kasi nila. Every now and then, follow up.
In our case, we saw how Town Kids is very dedicated. The deployment team especially with top nurses.
And then lately, I had several setbacks with my requirements. Nandun pa rin po sila and hindi ko pinapabayaan.
There's no time that we felt left out.
So I decided to stay and hopefully we'll get deployed soon.
So I think Town Kids is one of the pag-aalaga talaga sa'yo. Dito pa lang hanggang pagpunta mo.